What's up, guys? Back at it again with another video. It's been hella long, but we got Suma Performance in. Sponsored me, so gotta give them a huge shout out. We got my lovely girlfriend helping me out, and the Mason supervising. Well, anyways, we're changing out the side mirror out here, so Luna's gonna get started on that because she has the hands for it. But let me show you what the finished product looks like. All right. Check that out. I mean, goddamn. So these side mirrors have anti-glare technology, and they're already ceramic coated. So if you're in the rain or in, excuse me, harsh weather, they're gonna last a lot longer than OEM. And as is, my OEM ones were already messing up. So I'm glad they hit me up and sponsored me because I was already looking for new side mirrors. So anyways, we're gonna be moving on to the second side and showing you how to take them apart because there is no videos on how to get them out. All right, baby, do you want to explain how it's done?
All right, so there's clips around the ring right here. So you want to unclip the ring that's at the bottom point, one here, and top here, and then really just pretty much take everything apart. It's super horrible to hear when you take it off, but
Just
don't worry,
cracking,
it's not gonna break.
and it sounds like it's gonna break.
Don't worry. It's a bit hard, so you might want to get a little a flat-headed screw like this, a little bit skinnier because it's
Working with what we got.
Yeah.
But ultimately, it's going to be a little bit different per car scenario. So I have the performance pack on here, so I got to deal with extra wiring. If you don't have that, then that's one less thing that you need to deal with. So we'll bring you right back once we're taking it apart. All right, so the second part is once you get this taken off, you just got to take out these two pins using some type of plier, and then from there pop this clip out. You can use a plier itself or anything kind of pointy to get that out. And then from there, we'll bring it right back to the next step. All right, just so you guys can see that it works. Thank you. Oh, come on, brother. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but the light has blinked, so that indicates that the car is registering the side mirror. So I'll do it again on this side so you can see a little bit better. It's gonna be on your top left hand corner. It's gonna be up here. Oh, you bastard. Go ahead. There you go. That's the indication. Once you get that, you're set to go. Should take you about 15 minutes. You will need a lovely assistant to help you out. Once you get that squared away, you're good to go. Well, thank you for watching.